Have you tasted the cheese?
Yeah, it's good.
Really good.
Good.
I don't like that question.
Hi guys! We are back! We will do a mukbang!
Yum.
Magbumukbang kami guys. I made pork ribs. I have a vlog. Ililive ko siya dyan sa taas. And then, I made stretchy cheese. Influensya to ni Zach Choi. I have been watching that mukbang.
Yeah.
ASMR mukbang. And I'm like, oh, I want stretchy cheese so bad. So I made this as well. Again, vlog will be up there. And yeah, we have our drinks. I have a tiny...
Canotto?
Here. Canotto, it's an Italian soda.
It's delicious. What's wrong?
Oh, you should do it on camera like that. That's what Zach Choi does. Gaya-gaya talaga. Can you open this, please? ASMR kasi yung kanya, babe. Gusto ko sana magmukbang lang kami. Si Dan, sabi niya, magtanong ka sa ano mo, subscribers mo. You should do it on camera like this.
It's not an SMS, whatever.
ASMR. SMS is messaging. Alright, let's dig in, guys.
You can use that knife over there, my love.
No, this is really tender, so I don't think you have to use a knife. We'll just break it like that, really.
I'm gonna put a whole piece on my plate to cut.
Excited na ako sa stretchy cheese. Yung dapat sana is yung plain lang na cheddar cheese, pero yung amin is nacho cheese. It will have like a Mexican twist to it, my love. The sauce. But it's really good. It's very stretchy, as in. Hindi ko na-expect na ganun siya ka magiging stretchy. Alright, ready? Wait sa. Ito guys. Wait sa. Okay, really.
Have you tasted the cheese?
Yeah, it's good. Look at that. Guys. Oh, so good. The first stretchy cheese that we've tried was in Korea. You remember that?
Good job, babe. That's really good. That's really good.
The ribs are really good,
I
babe.
think it was you gotta do it so when it's hot it like melts easily around it.
Yeah.
When it cools off it gets like too hard.
Yeah.
So you can
We don't have that yet. We just grab it. Meron siyang potatoes. Yum.
really good.
Good. That was very unsatisfying. Make it satisfying, my love.
Unsatisfying.
Yeah. Like, grab it with your ribs.
Look at that. Using my hands. It's too hard with the ribs. And I wrap it around like that.
Tingnan nito guys, ha? Ah!
Really good.
Imagine this with chicken. You can do it with chicken as well. Chicken wings. Or chicken drumstick.
Huh?
Up to you. Right?
Yeah, but bloody hell.
What bloody hell?
It's like, how much did it, that's cheese mix, how much did that cost?
A lot. That's alright. It's our cheat night. It is my cheat night because it's pork.
Oh yeah.
Oh, kalamig! Guys, it's very good.
You can leave the recipe for this in the thing?
No? Wala akong measure nito eh. Magdo-double dip ako kasi kabilang naman dalawa ni Dan.
Everyone's gonna be like, these guys are disgusting. Who's just putting his fingers in there?
It's fine. It's just us. Yeah, Mert, do you like it?
It's a really good job, babe.
Ribs are really good.
My drink's made by Coca-Cola as well.
Made by Coca-Cola? Okay.
Alright, put that in there. If it was hot, it would just melt so much easily around it. But,
yeah, but we don't have the Single cookie thing. Good?
Really good. Anything with cheese is so good.
Yeah.
Anything with cheese.
Wow.
We're meant to be doing a Q&A, by the way.
Yeah. It's there on my phone. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna wash my other hand. I'll do it.
Your phone's a bit sticky now.
I know. I said I'll do it. I'll wash my hand.
I can do it. Look, I'm using my little finger.
Okay. Habang nagtitingin si Dan ng mga question.
We'll start off with a good one. The question is, are you still going to the Maldives because of the
C word.
COVID going around at the moment? We're not going to say it.
Ito yung panggamit ko pang pangkuha. Diyan lang lang sa gilid. Let's talk about it.
I don't think we will go, which sucks, because we might either get locked out of Australia, or when we come back, we're going to have to quarantine, which means I can't work for 2 weeks. So that's it's going to be an absolute nightmare. And we're going over the Easter break, so we're going to not disturb work too much. But
yeah, the reason why we did it on Easter break is for Dan to not miss a lot of work days. But if we go out of the country, when we come back, like, you have to be quarantined even if you're not sick.
I wouldn't.
Is that it?
I won't be able to work. Yeah.
Pinili nga namin yung week na yun para hindi siya makamiss ng work, tapos makakamiss na tuloy siya ng 2 weeks, and that's too long. Yeah, too early as well. We just had a holiday December, January, so it's too early.
Yeah, it's too risky at the moment. So
Yeah.
99.9% we're not going, and we'll probably
99.9 na?
we'll probably cancel the. We can cancel the accommodation and get our money back on that, but we lose the money on the flights. But
So
that's okay.
what did Singapore Airlines said?
Singapore said bad luck.
Really? Do
They
you
didn't
call
say
them?
bad luck. They just said you can reschedule for another time, but it could cost you all fees and that.
Yeah.
Or we can hope they cancel the flight before
Yeah.
we go and just get our money back on that.
Did you call them today or not yet?
Yeah.
I did.
And I called them on their reservation times, 3 times.
Okay.
Every time I kept on getting disconnected. So I called up the cargo department,
Okay.
and the cargo department gave me a number they shouldn't have, and I called that, and they're like, "How did you get this number? You're not meant to have this number." And I said, "Oh, the cargo department gave it to me." And they're like, "Oh,
Okay.
So
What are they avoiding people?
they're that busy with phone calls, their phone system can't handle people on the waiting at that.
Okay.
So when you go to where you're meant to be waiting, it automatically disconnects. So they're hammered with phone calls at the moment.
Yeah. Well, people would be calling. People are booking in advance, and it's Easter weekend. Most people are going away. So maybe that's why. I'll give you another satisfying one, guys. 1 second. Oh. Babe, do a satisfying cheese stretch. Yung phone ko talaga.
Hi Dan, why don't you cut your whiskers? It says, "Hi Dan, why don't you cut your whiskers?"
Oh, why don't you cut your whiskers?
I like my whiskers.
I don't like it. Pero hindi na kasi siya nakikinig sa akin ngayon talaga. Hindi ko alam. Nagbago na siya, guys. Hindi na siya nakikinig sa akin. I'll give you another satisfying one while Dan is looking for questions. That was cut too short, but that's alright.
I like this one. If you could change your name, what would your name be?
I don't want to change my name.
Ray's has got a really good name. I like her name. So no, I don't think your name could be better. It's a very unique name in Australia.
How about your name? Would you change it? You would.
Hell yes. Hell yes. I'll change it to...
Hindi marunong si Dando. You do not know how to do this. You're just like picking it.
What would I change my name to? Sunny. S-O-N-Y.
No, you wouldn't. I'm pretty sure if you have the name Sunny, you'll be like, oh, I wish I could change it to Daniel. Nah.
Sunny. Sunny's a cool name.
It's not a bad name.
I like... Oh, should we call our son Sunny when we have a son? Question, will you stay for good in the Philippines? The answer is no.
Is it a definite no?
Um,
What if something happens
no,
and the Philippines is the only safe country?
Oh, then of course. So 99.9% no. Is there something in the Australian culture you wish Raz would pick up?
Okay.
I wish Raz will eat more Australian food.
Is this Australian food? Cheese and pork?
Nah, this is, I don't even know what country this food is.
Well, we had this in Korea, but I'm not sure if it's authentic Korean. I don't think it is.
I don't think it is.
But that guy that I watch, I'm not sure if he's Korean. Zach Choi, Korean ba siya? I'm pretty sure marami nanonood ng mukbang. Nanonood din ba kayo guys ng ganyan?
Next question is, where can I find someone like Dan?
Oh.
Filipino Cupid. Baby girl or baby boy? Got to choose one. No, you got to choose one. Boy. Boy. Choose one. It's a cool. Make a decision up. Oh, this is so bad.
Do this Look. See? Oh, no, it's not that stretchy anymore.
I look forward to all your comments on how disgusting we are using our hands. Like, just please comment below on how disgusting we are.
Wait, I wash my hands, huh?
Ah, this is an easy one.
Okay.
I think you know the answer for this.
Okay.
Which is wiser, to invest in the Philippines, a condo or land?
Land.
Land. Always land. No matter where in the world, land is always king.
Land, guys. Land.
Land's the only thing that ever goes up. Buildings get old, they depreciate, but God's not making any more land. So
What?
God's not making any more land.
Okay.
So whatever land there is, that's it. So
True.
well, there's nothing stopping. You brought a condo in a nice new building. 5 years later, there's nothing stopping the block next door. Another 200 condos get put up in the building, and then one next door. So condos can, be oversupplied. Land, that's it.
Yeah, true.
Right.
No, that's very true, my love.
Yeah, land, any day of the week.
Tanungin niyo siya yung mga ganyan, guys. Magaling siya. I have a question for you. Now, I know.
Chocolate.
I already know the answer. I want you to tell them why keeping the house for us is not a good investment.
Guys, it's not going to go up anymore. This is it. Like they're.
Here.
How do I do that?
Here, ooh. See? I'm using this as your spoon, so you don't have to use your hands. I'm gonna grab stuff for you, babe. So good, isn't it, my love? It's not that stretchy anymore because it's no longer hot or warm.
So we're better off selling the house.
Sorry.
We're paying towards your new house, and once that's sorted, we can start investing in stuff that's going to give us a better return and go up a lot more in value. So that's our plan. But we might not even be selling now with this CV thingy, CV1. We don't get to monetize. This is an expensive meal, people. There it is.
Ay, nako. Takot na kami sabihin yung word na yan kasi na-demonetize yung video ko. Nakakaloka. Yum. Oh my gosh, I'm full. I keep drinking as well.
We're full.
Here, I'm gonna read because my other hand's clean na.
Okay.
Kain ka lang dyan, babe. Just keep eating, my love.
I will. Till I explode.
Ooh. Are you born and raised in Australia? How many languages can you speak?
Yes, and one language.
You can speak Italian though.
Oh, no, I can't. Spaghetti, pasta, lasagna, pizza. That's about it.
What's the most annoying attitude of Ate Reyes?
She's a control freak. True. She doesn't let me go out with my friends. Okay, she wants to do everything her own way. No, that's you do.
I let you go out with your friends.
No, I'm not doing that. I was just kidding about that.
Yeah, stop lying.
I was just kidding about that. Nah, she always wants to do stuff around the house her own way.
In fairness naman talaga kay Dan, tumutulong talaga siya, guys, and gusto niya talagang tumulong. Naiinis lang ako kasi, alam mo yan, parang nakasanayan ko na yung the way na linis ko. Tapos yung linis niya, kapag nagva-vacuum siya, nakikita ko pa din na ang dami pa ding so sinasabi ko na lang, ako na lang. Tapos alam mo yung pagod na pagod ka na, tapos parang tinutulungan ka, so masaya ka, pero after niyang gawin, hindi ka satisfied, so naiinis ka. So ikaw gagawin mo na naman. So double pagod, alam mo yun. Anyway, ako lang naman yun. Si Dan, very good.
Thank you, babe. Look at that. Yeah.
What is your secret for being guapo?
Chocolate keeps you young. There's something in chocolate that keeps you young.
Whatever.
No, I just made that up. I don't know.
This is good. What if Reyes cheat on you? What would you feel?
Single.
Free.
I'd feel very single very quickly.
Freedom. Okay, how will you know that what you are risking is going to be worth it?
You don't. Bigger the risk, bigger the reward.
Was I a big risk?
Hell yes. Hell yes. But I got a good reward.
Aww. What makes you fall in love with me?
I don't like that question. No, that was...
How do you manage your time with work and as a husband? You have a chill life as a husband. You're so lucky.
I don't work hard. It gives me more home time.
I know the answer to this. What is one thing that brings a smile to your face no matter what time of day?
Chocolate.
I was gonna say that. Would you still be honest if the truth will hurt your wife?
Yeah.
Yeah, he is way too honest. Way too honest. And it's alright because I'm used to it. I prefer that than lying to me. I compliment you all the time though. What?
I compliment you more. I always say you look good. Every day I tell you you look good.
No, you don't. I always tell you you look guapo, but you never tell me I look good.
Every day.
Not every day. Boy!
Every day.
What course did Kuya Dan and Ate Reyes take up? I'm a nurse, so I took up nursing.
Oh, I studied marketing, but I didn't finish it.
He studied real estate. But it's not really like a course. It's different now though. Maybe it is a course now.
Maybe.
Back in his time.
Back in the 50s.
It wasn't a course. It was like more of like a training something, Malo. From Chella_Chel02 to Kuya Dan, buti po hindi kayo naiinip dahil wala pa kayong anak.
Yeah.
She said it's good that you're not bored. It's a good thing that you're not bored, especially now that you don't have kids or now that you don't have kids yet. Something like that.
Okay.
There's a lot of things that keeps us busy, babe.
Yeah, there is.
Out, guys.
We'll be very busy when we have kids. Extremely busy.
Yeah, I know. Iniisip ko nga, like, buti na lang ginagawa namin to ngayon, yung sa bahay, na kami palang dalawa. Because grabe, guys. Grabe talaga. Though si Dan yung gumagawa, most of it, still really stressful.
This is going to be my last piece, babe. I'm going to explode.
Okay. You're full?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, ako din. I'm full as well. I'm gonna have, can you cut me one piece, please? This is for you, babe. If you're not married right now, what do you think you are doing?
Will I be with you?
Maybe not. Maybe not married at all. Or maybe single. She meant maybe she meant single.
I know what I'll be doing.
What will you be doing?
Nah, nothing dirty. I'll be prepping. In Italy, they shut down a whole country of 60 million within 24 hours or so. We got some Italian subscribers telling me what it's like in Italy at the moment.
Oh, yeah.
Being locked out. And that's what worries me. It happens in Australia. People go crazy over toilet paper. NBA,
Cancelled.
cancelled.
Yeah.
My football season starts in 2 weeks. Probably cancelled. A holiday, cancelled. Us probably selling the house. Probably going to be put on hold, I think.
You're feeling
If it gets worse, it all goes on hold.
It's crazy what's happening. Guys, please take care. Please be safe. How are you going to describe living with kids in the future?
Awesome.
No.
It would be awesome. Be like, son, get me the remote. Get me a beer. Massage. I look forward to it. Look after Dad, he's getting old.
Babe, they're not gonna be like that for years. You need to teach them how to walk first.
Massage her shoulders. Yeah, that'll be good.
Nah, it's gonna be
It'll
good.
be good. It'll be good.
Yeah, right? It's
It
gonna
will
be
be.
really good.
It will
Looking
be.
forward to it. Are you willing to use a scooper if you run out of toilet papers?
No. I'm gonna get the hose, put it through the window. I'll use the hose.
Through the window.
Through the window. I'm not gonna use a scooper for down there. I'll use the hose. The garden hose, through the window.
Ooh, what is your opinion about panic buying of toilet paper?
Toilet paper, I'm not panicking about. You need toilet paper, but
Food is more important.
food's more important. You can get around not having toilet paper if you had to. You can't get around not eating. Or I don't want to be waiting in front of a shopping centre for hours to get in, or going to a shopping centre and people are fighting over food. I don't want that. Very scary, actually.
In the race, do you like them being hairy? Like beard, chest, and all. Wow.
Yeah,
Do you find it sexy?
I'm a monkey. Nash doesn't like it.
I don't mind the body hair. I just feel like, yeah, wow. But the facial hair, I prefer it smooth, you know? Pag nagkikiss siya sa akin, wala na. Ang dami nang gumagano sa mukha ko. Nakakainis eh. Ayaw niyang anuhin eh.
That's right.
That's right. Oh my gosh, I'm so full.
Yeah. I brought
This is
chips
so
here,
good.
so we're going to dip the chips in the thing, but you're not going to dip the chips in
Nah.
the cheese. So,
So full. Yeah, may
For the cheese.
Doritos pala siya. Dan, paano ka magtampo? Do you know the word tampo?
Tumbok.
Tampo.
Rose calls me tumbok all the time.
I don't.
You always say, I don't know what it means, but you keep Daniel, you're tumbok. You do. So if you guys know what it means, please let me know.
Oh,
because-
whatever. He knows what it means.
No, I don't know what it means.
Babe, tampo. Do you know the word tampo? Remember when
Yeah, I know what tempo is.
Yeah,
It means
okay.
moody. It's like,
Yeah, so how do you get tampo?
I don't.
No, hindi siya magtatampo, guys.
If I get just a little bit.
What is something you both always argue about?
House chores.
Taka na siya, eh, no?
I do probably 60%,
Babe, please.
70%.
Please.
We argue about me lying all the time.
Yung pamilya niya at saka kami, sanay na kami. So kapag nagsisinungaling siya or naggaganyan siya, nayaan lang namin siya. But sa vlog kasi, parang sabi ko, huwag ka magsinungaling kasi maniniwala yung mga tao, lalo na yung mga bagong viewers. The new viewers will freaking believe you. They will think like, what an a-hole of a wife she is.
No, that's not it at all.
Yeah,
I like this one. How young is Dan? Not how old is Dan, how young.
That's a nice question, Alina.
Can I answer that?
Daiso. Of course you can.
I'm 30 years old and a few months.
30?
And a few months. Is that true?
Not a few months.
A few months.
Not a few. That's
How many
way
months?
more than a few.
How many months?
A lot of months.
Not a lot, a few. 30 years old and a few months. Who is my celebrity crush? It's Raz. She's my celebrity crush.
Aw, what was the most challenging thing that had happened in your marriage life? Wow, makapag-isip naman itong isa.
There's so many, I'm just trying to think.
What a tough life you have, Mr. Danny Boy.
It's too many just to say one. It's just many things have been challenging.
Whatever, babe.
Nah, nothing that challenging so far.
Okay, this is the last one, alright? And
Alright.
answer this properly.
Okay.
Why don't you have an Instagram account? You'll have a lot of followers for sure. That's from Amy Hen. Hello, thank you.
Thank you. Why don't I have an Instagram account? I don't need one. I don't want one.
But why do you keep going on my Instagram and
I'll-
following people using my Instagram and looking...
I'm nosy for it all.
Siya yung nanonood ng mga stories, siya lahat. So, mas alam niya yung ganap ng mga kaibigan ko kaysa sa akin. Yeah.
And the Port Power Boys as well.
The Port Power Boys. So, my Instagram account is following all the Port Power players,
Yeah.
the coaches.
And Adelaide. Shit, Adelaide.
Yeah, that
Awesome.
page as well. So, yung wala na, parang yung Instagram ko sa kanya na, guys. Sa kanya na yung Instagram ko, siya yung nanonood ng mga stories because I don't go on Instagram that often. Hindi talaga.
Just, if you want to see stuff, just watch my TikTok account. You know my TikTok name?
I've got a TikTok and I have a video there and it's Dan's face.
Oh, yeah.
It's funny. So why don't you have an Instagram, my love?
I can't be bothered. And I don't want to post stuff.
I
I like looking at other people's stuff. I don't like posting stuff.
Yeah, so he'd rather use mine.
I'd rather use Raz's.
Alright, that's it for this mukbang. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was good. I have leftover. I'll eat this tomorrow. Oh, nah. No more pork for me this week.
I'll take it to work tomorrow.
Yeah, you can have that for lunch.
Yeah, I'll take that to work.
That's it.
I'll look after it.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Bye.
Bye,
Thank you, my
guys.
love. Mwah.
Mwah.
Mwah.